Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your achievements and earned medals in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap your name from the top left of the screen. On this screen, tap Achievements. Here you can toggle between multiplayer, battle royale and zombies achievements using the tabs at the top, and you can also switch between achievements and medals using the tabs below. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.